How to contact Zelle customer support. First of all, open your browser and go to the official Zelle website at zellepay.com. Once you are on the home page, scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for the Contact Us option. Next, tap on it and you will be directed to the customer support section. Here you will find frequently asked questions, troubleshooting guides and direct options to get help. If you need to contact them directly, look for the phone number provided in the support section. You can call Zelle's customer service for account issues, transaction disputes, or technical problems. In addition to calling, you can also use their online contact form to send detailed queries. This method is helpful if you prefer written communication or need to attach specific information about your issue. Finally, make sure you are always using the official website and support options. Avoid third-party numbers or links as they may not be secure. Taking these precautions will help protect your personal and banking information while resolving your concerns effectively. Now you know how to contact Zelle customer support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.